Gagamit tayo ng organic carrots. Kukuluan hanggang maging malambot ang ating carrots. Lutuin hanggang maging malambot ang carrots. Mix ang carrot puree sa malamig na lye water. Lye water is at room temperature. And then we'll mix it with our oils. And then we will add our coconut milk. Let's add a few drops of lavender essential oil. It has a calming scent. Sabon na ito ay walang colorant. So we have a we get the natural color of the butter and the carrot. So pwede tayong gumamit ng mga empty boxes like this, empty box ng milk, ng any juice. Like this is a good mold for our soap. So, pwede kayong gumawa ng sabon kahit wala kayong silicone molds or wood mold. This will give you a very nice shape ng sabon. Okay, ilagay na natin ang ating butter sa ating mold. So we will set this aside and we'll be back after 48 hours. It's cutting time. After 5 days, I unmolded yung ating gentle baby soap made with organic carrots. As you can see guys, ito yung bottom ng ating empty box of coconut water. This time guys, gagamitin ko itong isang cutter, shredded cutter, para magkaroon ng konting design ang ating gentle baby soap. This gentle baby soap is made only with 2 oils, organic coconut oil and olive oil. See that? Ayaw nating sayangin ang ating gentle soap. It's still soft because I did not use hard oils, which is like cocoa butter or shea butter. And this is really pure olive oil and organic coconut oil. This is baby soap, yeah, we make it gentle. And it takes more time of curing because it's soft, but it's beautiful. You can also make your own baby soap kahit walang scent. But for this soap, naglagay ako ng lavender essential oil. Kaya smell lavender yung sabon. I like this soap a lot. I will use this for my face. See? It's beautiful. No harsh ingredients. Again, you can make your own soap kahit wala kayong soap mold. Just the empty box of milk or any juices like coconut juice. Pwede na kayong gumawa ng sabon.